The aircraft behind me, the Avanti Evo, turns heads wherever it goes with its unusual, very distinctive shape. But change is coming for the Avanti. Piaggio has announced a new version called the NX. Multiple changes from tip to tail. And they've got a launch customer for that. I spoke to the head of this program and he explained to me exactly what this will mean. So the Avanti I recognize very well. I've followed it for years, but I understand some change is coming. At Piaggio, you're going to produce a new version of this very eye-catching aircraft. Tell me what you can about the NX model.
Well, actually, you are totally right. I mean, this is an eye-catching aircraft. Was designed years ago, but is still the most modern aircraft in its category, to the point that the NX is aimed to make our customer feel that it's not a propeller-driven aircraft. Mm-hmm. It's not a turbofan, or anyway, is not in the turbojet class. Is a unique master.
Very special. Mm-hmm.
For this, we have planned several, upgrade packages on the aircraft, starting already this year, with some enhancements that will allow to have, first of all, some increase in performance for the aircraft, for reduction of landing and takeoff distance. That is already, a master, but we are going to make it even better. We are going to have the possibility also to use it for unpaved runway. Then there are some upgrades that are mostly aimed to make our customers perceive the fact that they are in a premium aircraft. So we are looking at what is the experience in flight, both in terms of pilots and in terms of cabin comfort, use of the modern technologies, entertainment, and so on. So this is the main focus for the next generation. It's actually a next aircraft, an NX aircraft.
And as you have made these decisions as to what needs to be changed, have you consulted with customers to ask them what they care about?
Well, actually, Piaggio went through a quite, change in its organization, because the company was acquired last year by Baykar Group. Baykar is a company that is very modern. Consider they have approximately 8,000 employees with more than 4,000 engineers, very young, very practical, very looking at the new technology, new features, new opportunities. And starting since then, also thanks to the fact that Baykar has a very distributed network in the world with a lot of customers, we have started also to set up the users group with periodical video calls where we interview the operator in order to understand what they expect from their aircraft in terms of enhancement of in-service aircraft, but also from a new aircraft. So it's something that we are working on.
And what about the cockpit? What about for the pilots? Could there be changes to the avionics?
Yes, we are working also on that to make a quantum leap step on this. I cannot say more in this moment, but we are working with a team of pilots. We have 5 experimental pilots in our company that are working hard to define the new features and the new characteristics, both in terms of comfort, in terms of use of the aircraft, in terms of new features for what the new technology offers.
Excellent. And you mentioned improvements to the landing performance, the ability to operate on unprepared strips. I suppose that tells us this would make it more versatile. So for owners, especially in the charter market, they could get to more places.
Well, actually, you mentioned the charter market, but the business model for this aircraft has been changing in the last years, because one thing that it was appreciated is the fact that the platform is very, very versatile. So actually, it was born as a business aircraft for VIP and so on, but recently, one of the use that has been recognized for this aircraft is also for special missions, also for institutional fleets, for charter flights, or what we call shuttle version. But especially one version that is very, very, very interesting and that makes the aircraft probably the best solution for the market is for medevac application. So the Evo itself already has an enlarged door. The enlarged door has allowed us to increase the access, to facilitate the access with the stretchers. We have a version that is allowing to have 2 stretchers on board, and moreover, is not only accommodating a stretcher, but the fact that with the cabin pressurization system, the aircraft is unique because you can fly at 40,000 feet with an internal pressure that is much lower, to the point that if you transfer, for example, a person that has had a stroke or something like that, they can be transferred.
It's a safer process.
Much safely and much quicker. Yeah. So, and this is the reason why this version, the medevac, is required by the last customers as a kit, as an option.
Right.
Just imagine that, for example, if you have the aircraft in shuttle version with typical, let me say, charter flight seats for crew transfer and so on and so forth, you can convert it into medevac, having it already provisioned in 1 hour, let me say. You can remove the seats, install all the accommodation.
And change the roll quickly,
everything.
so very flexible.
Exactly.
Excellent. And finally, you're now part of the Baykar group. Is this going to help you with potentially investment to improve maintenance services or other things?
Absolutely. They are not going to. They have already started doing
Good.
it. So one of the intention of the Baykar team, as I said, is a young company, but with a group of very determined people and very talented people for several, let me say, kind of specialties in engineering, but not only, also in what is the customer support. I mean, in their product, they have a support network that is very strong, and they are trying to implement the same thing also for the P180. It's something that was publicly announced some time ago, that we have signed some specific arrangement with some companies in the United States to set up a Piaggio-approved network of maintenance organization, but we are also setting up a specific warehouse, a specific logistic group with a lot of investment that has already been done by Baykar. When they arrived, the first thing they did was to invest on the, let me say, relaunch, especially on the support of the aircraft worldwide.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You've painted a complete picture here of what you plan to do. Very
Thanks
grateful.
a lot.
Perfect.
Thank
you.